Hello, welcome back to Mahalinga Market Rhythm. Okay, today I am going to present the end of the day chart analysis for Nifty, but slightly differently. I am going to show you the past 2 months performance of the Nifty index. Okay, this is a Nifty day time frame chart. You can see 15765 acting as the center point for the Nifty trading. From the June up to the July, there are 12 points making a center major trend line for 15765. So if any trade for the coming weeks holding above 15765, you can go for a long trade. If any trade below the 15765, you can go for a short trade. Just check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 points. Okay, where 15765 reached and it can go above, and below 15765 you can see dramatical fall. So watch out the 15765 for the coming weeks. In the same Nifty index, I am going to change day time frame to monthly time frame. You can have a look that 15765, this location is acting as a center point for the entire month. Okay, so we are just having a 12 points movement in the July series. However, this area you have to focus. Okay, 15721 to 15765. So if the coming weeks trading between this range, you can go for a short trade. Okay, if any trade above 15765 and closing above 15770, you can go for your long trade. Now I am in a 15 minutes time frame of Nifty index chart. So I am having 29 as well as 30. Here I would like to mark the first 30 minutes high and low for the previous day. 29 the previous day 30 minutes high this point, and the low somewhere here, and the next day, which means 30th July, initial 30 minutes low point and initial 30 minutes high point. Okay, these are the level I would like to make my trading. After marking my previous day 30 minutes high and low and present day 30 minutes high and low, now I am going to mark the previous day high, which is somewhere around here. On the live trading, these are the levels I have to watch it out and take my decision to go for the trade. Okay, before getting into the trade, I am also marking this rising trend line, because for the yesterday, that means previous day, there are higher lows. So I would like to take this trend line for my reference point. And you can see, as an aggressive trader, there is a long opportunity within this candle. Why? The previous 30 minutes high, the first candle itself getting closed above, number one. Number two, the first candle of 30th July giving you a 70% bought out signal, that is the buyer interest in the downside. And number three, the purple 200 moving average is firmly holding above. And number four, you have a rising trend line which is also getting respected. All the parameters gives you the confirmation on the long side. Additionally, I am having leading indicators, Camarilla, the H3 point, okay, somewhere around 15800. The second candle itself, it's giving breakout. So the first candle giving a very good amount of buying interest, and your second candle break out the 15800, which is H3 of Camarilla. Okay, so 5 factors that is ensure that the long trade. And the sixth factor, the first candle, this big candle not able to break the previous day low. So aggressive trader, what they can take a call, they can take a long position around just above the previous day low. Okay, and the seventh factor, 28th July to 29th July, there was a gap up. So this area will act as a support point. This area will act as a support point. The first time when the market back to testing this area, then it will immediately bounce back. But the second and third time, it will be a question mark. But whenever the support getting attempted on the first time, whenever support point or resistance point attempt in the first time, you can expect a bounce back. Okay, bounce in the sense, if it is a support, it will go up. If it is a resistance, it may come down. Okay. After initiating my long trade here, or above this 200-day moving average, above this trend line, okay, and above this consistent higher lows, okay, my target will be initially H4, which is 15822. The successful break out of 15822, which is H4, you can shift the target to H5. Okay, now how to predict while hitting the H5 or while forming this 3 candle, how to predict the market direction, which is immediately on the downside. The factor number 1 is you have to refer your H5 as your target area. So whenever the trend reaches H5, it will be bounce back, number 1. And the number 2, you have to refer the candle by candle. The green candle not able to close above the H5, and the consecutive candle making a red candle, and the next candle close not able to move above the previous day red candle high, and the third candle high not able to break the previous candle high. So all these factors indicating that the downfall is continue. So if you are having a good analysis about the candlestick pattern, you can short this market in this candle and you can take your profit in L3. Okay, so this is how you have to focus on the market and immediately recognize the pattern before it will go up or go down. You should not wait. This area will come back for the retest. Why? After the immediate uptrend, you are finding that selling pressure. Note, this kind of red candle not at all formed throughout the day. That kind of focus you have to be in a chart. Now I am going to mark the supply zone and the demand zone for the coming week trade. As my supply zone not modified for the past week, okay, and this is going to act as my supply zone, which is around 15883. Okay, and my demand zone will be 15510, which is previous week low. Okay, as I refer in the global market, we are going to get slightly bit of a gap up opening on Monday. Okay, if any chance the initial trade forming a higher up to 15890, you are seeing some bit of correction up to 15720. Okay, thereafter buyers will be getting to the market and push the price to higher side. Okay, like this. If there is no buying interest around this area, okay, then you can see a big downside market. It is not only for Monday. In the coming week, you can watch the 15,725 to 15,760 act as a immediate support. Any close below this value, be very cautious, okay, and any close above this point 15,765, it will going to break 15,900 or the high, lifetime high.